goes the train right there. Luckily caught that. They're just testing right now, so it hasn't started yet. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so we're still walking. I'm just gonna go into this tunnel to get to the station. And it's kind of interesting because they're transforming this quite a bit, so there was a whole other thing here. But anyways, we're gonna check it out, what it is right now. And I'm gonna also put my camera and you can see some of the construction. So I don't know what's over there actually, but so there might not be anything there at all. I don't really know, but you know, that's one of the fun things about the camera is you can do that. And we're going to show you the station in about right about now. You can see the station. So to see. So they're still building this little thing, but that's the new station right there. And there's also a train that's up on top. I can see it from I can see it when I was in the distance because the sun is kind of bright on it right now. We'll get a closer look from a different angle. From underneath. Never saw this before. But so we're just basically gonna go up, and you can see right here, this whole thing right here is part of the metro line, and right there is the part of a subway train. And we're just gonna walk up and I'm gonna try to catch it from another angle. But yep, so this is gonna be one of the stations. I don't know when this is gonna be used. I think we're still like about 2 months off, but I'm not entirely sure. But yep, you can see, I think there's actually going to be an underground walkway that goes underneath, and then the train as well. So you can see all that. And the station right there, of course. And that's our train right there. So there's a 2-car train that's sitting there right now. So they're going to start using it more in the near future. So, okay. So I don't know the name of this one, but basically this whole thing goes to Taipa. So it's going to kind of, it starts way over there at the airport, and it's going to go through some of the casinos. Then it comes through some casinos right here, and then it comes through this way, and then ultimately it's going to go all the way to where it's going to meet with Macau. So okay. So yep, pretty cool. The thing I want to mention is there's an exit right there, so I can already see where some of the exits are going to be. So this one will go here, and then you can walk all underneath, it looks like, and there's another exit right there. I'm going to walk over there right now. Okay, so now we're walking down on this other side. There's an Olympic Stadium that's going to be right there, so it's kind of a cool spot because these isn't really that, it's not as utilized as you'd hope. But now that this train's going to come right here, it's interesting, right? So yeah, that was the other exit. There's actually some people up there. I don't know why. I don't know if you can see them, but there's I can see like 5 or 6 people. They got yellow shirts on, and a bunch of security looking people over here with some of the they have a different, but they're like more security guardish, and these look more like manager types with yellow shirts, foreman kind of stuff. So anyways, you can see lots of construction. They're basically still constructing all this stuff, and it's pretty obvious, right? But a lot of people are looking to see, you know, when it's going to be done and what it's going to look like. But this is a taste of it right here. So I heard that it's going to be up and running within the next, I don't know, I thought it was before this year ends, which is 2019 right now. And it looks like it's going to be called Stadium Station. So yep. The guy with the suitcase already. Soon there'll be all kinds of people with suitcases, because this is really going to be well connected to the entry points into Macau. And what I mean by that, it's going to be connected to the ferry station and the airport, and also to there's another way to get from into mainland China from Taipa as well. So yeah, it should be pretty cool though. When it's all set up, it should be great. So yeah. Okay. So that's basically it. This is going to be part of the MTR, or whatever they call it. There's an LTR, I think it's called.